Hello and welcome to this simple sun salutation series. This is a simple flow that you can do at any time during the day, or if you want to go on repeat over and over again. So to begin this particular practice, we're going to start in a standing position at the top of your space. As when you begin to come to the top of your space, choosing the width of your feet, wide or closer for more intensity, your choice. And we're just going to take a little bit of a grounding, a few heel thumps to arrive. So what I'll invite you to do is just begin to take the shoulders up towards the ears, rolling the shoulder blades back. And then what we'll begin to do is come up onto the balls of the feet, wobbling as expected. And then we'll release. We're going to do that 2 more times, coming up onto the balls of the feet. And release. You might get a little bit of a bounce last time. And release. I'll begin to take the arms up overhead. Gaze can fall if appropriate to the neck. We'll take a slight back bend. Exhaling, we'll begin to come into a fold, softening the knees, hinging at the waist, releasing the head. Halfway lift, hands to thighs, shins or peace fingers to the earth. Exhaling, folding down. We're going to begin to plant the hands, stepping back to a runner's lunge, taking your right leg all the way back. You can release your right knee if you prefer to have more foundation. We're going to take the arms up overhead. That right heel is lifted. You might go a little bit lower. Exhaling, releasing down. We're going to begin to transition into a downward dog via 3-legged, taking that left leg all the way back. And then downward dog. Rippling forward to your plank pose. Higher foundational. We're going to begin to come into an upward dog. So we're going to press into the balls of the feet, bending the elbows, chaturanga, and then beginning to flip the feet over. So it's hands, tops of the feet, rolling the shoulder blades back. Upward dog. You can take cobra if you prefer. It's taking a little bit more time in the transitions. And then downward dog, sitting sit bones up and back. We'll begin to bring the gaze forward, walking, stepping, or hopping. Feet to the hands, forward fold. Halfway lift. And fold. So we're going to come up to standing, pressing to the feet, taking the arms back up overhead. And then pressing the finger pads in towards each other. Wide prayer, elbows in opposite directions. Inhaling up. Slight back bend. Softening and folding. Halfway lift. Exhaling and fold. We'll begin to plant, stepping back with your left foot this time. Runner's lunge. Again, you can release the knee down. Pressing and taking the arms up. Begin to release. We're going to come in through your 3-legged dog, taking that right leg all the way back. Toes pointing down towards the earth rather than opening up. And then downward dog. Again, we'll begin to ripple forward, plank. Pressing on the balls of the feet, bending the elbows. Flipping. And downward dog. We'll begin to bring the gaze forward, walking, stepping, or hopping feet to the hands. Forward fold. And a halfway lift. Hands to thighs, shins or peace fingers, rolling the shoulder blades back. And this time you might lift the heels. We'll begin to release the heels, releasing to fold. So we're going to come up to standing. We're just going to explore each side one more time. So taking the hands back down. Arms beginning to go up, inviting that cactus this time, opening up the chest. Hands beginning to go up, softening and folding. Halfway. Choice of heels. Releasing, folding, planting the hands, stepping back with your right foot, runner's lunge, your choice of releasing the knee. Inhaling the arms up. Maybe we take a cactus. Arms up towards the sky, hinging. Taking that left leg all the way back. You're three-legged. Maybe we bend the knee this time. And planting down. Shifting forward to your plank. And then upward dog. Exhaling, downward dog. And don't worry about the breath and the movement. Sometimes it's good just to do the feel-good factor. We're going to take the hands, gaze forward. Walking, stepping, or hopping. Feet to the hands, forward fold. Halfway lift. And fold. Coming up to standing. Inhale the arms up. Down into the heart. Last side. Inhaling the arms up. Softening and cactusing. Reaching for the sky as we hinge and fold. Halfway. And fold. Planting the hands, stepping back with our left foot, runner's lunge. Inhaling the arms up. Gentle cactus. And up. Begin to frame that front foot, coming through to your three-legged. Your choice of bending the knee. And downward dog. Rippling forward to plank, shoulders over the wrists, bending the elbows. Upward dog or cobra. And downward dog. We'll begin to take the gaze forward, walking, stepping, or hopping. Halfway lift. And fold. Maybe taking the hands behind the thighs or the calves. Maybe we take a ragdoll behind. Releasing the head. Beginning to release the hands. So we'll come up to standing, taking the arms up. And then down into the heart space. Bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for taking this brief and simple sun salutation series. If you'd like to continue with the rhythm, please do. Just hit rewind. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon.